Just got up, something's wrong. I waited up with wounds.
Hello my love, welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you are new, then hi, I'm Zina. Today I'll show you how to make a super easy twisted detail updo. So we'll begin by making a parting and selecting our crown section. Now you want to divide this section into two, and then you want to twist each strand one way, and then you want to grab one of these strands and wrap it around second strand. So basically we will always wrap around one strand the second one. I hope that this makes sense. So basically we'll add hair only to the strand that is twisting. So you add hair again to this strand that is twisting around, and we want to continue this step over and over again. Make sure to twist around second one 2 times and add more hair. So you want to repeat these steps over and over again until you have no more hair to add. At this point, you want to pin in place, create a twist, and make sure to fan it out to make it just a little bigger. Then, with the remaining hair, you want to make a single twist, and you want to twist it around itself and fix it in place using some grips or bobby pins. So as you can see, all our hairstyle is based on twists, and it's very easy. I hope that you like this hairstyle. If you do, or if you're not, please support me giving a like to this video. Also guys, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. I love you guys so much. See you soon. Bye.